Guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance update for the day. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to the charts. So yeah, I've done a bit of business on the Binance account. What I've done is we had quite a large position of synthetics because it was one of my favorite coins at the levels that it was at. So we did build quite a big position in that. So I've actually trimmed that position. So we now have in synthetics, here it is. We have, we've actually just taken some profits the bot. So we actually have this amount plus this amount. Because if we go over to 3 commas, you can see that it's currently got a deal on for the synthetics take profits. It's actually taken a little bit of that position off. So yeah, that deal is online. And what I've done is with the money that I released, which was I'll tell you how much it is because this is what I bought. 0.06 BTC's worth basically. I bought QLC because if we go over to where we're looking, QLC, I saw at the bottom of my range had a nice move up, which I missed. I remember talking to you guys about it. It was here actually, wasn't it? I think it was here, or was it not? I was like, oh no, I missed QLC. Look at that. But anyway, we're in it now. I think this was an appropriate level. We're actually in. We actually had to buy it in Bitcoin value because it doesn't have a tether pair. But I bought it at basically 241. So basically here after we had this wick down. So yeah, just a little bit of shifting around there, shifting those around. So yeah, if we just check the balances, not that one, this one. I think this is 0.3. I'll literally just check this. We'll clear this. 0. I don't need to type 0. Do I? Yeah, so 0.3. Plus 6.44 is it going to be still or not? Oh, 6.45. Would you look at that? Plus 0.6445. So we are there or thereabouts. Basically the same as what we were yesterday, I think, and maybe the day before. Maybe we're a bit lower the day before. So yeah, not doing too bad considering the altcoin scenario that we've been in. So yeah, 9.45 BTC. Obviously BTC up quite a lot. So yeah, I am happy with that overall so far. Just yeah, well, like I said, with the action that we've been going on. So yeah, we've got a few here. This is now our biggest position, ILCI exec. The bot has actually been scalping this quite a few times. If I go on to bots, can I go on to statistics? Where are the statistics? I know I can do it on my phone. Bot analytics. Here we go. Bot analytics. It's going to be a bit slow, isn't it? If it doesn't come up, it's fine. But either way, all I wanted to really show you was the oh, it's not actually showing my bot analytics. Okay. Oh well. So what I was going to show you is that he has scalped this position quite a few times. Short profit, short profit, short profit, short profit. So this is one of our better coins for the bot. So yeah, so pretty pleased with that overall. Yeah, so yeah, pretty pleased with that. We just got this deal on. You can see there's our profit is sort of ticking up. So that's good to see. That's some extra profit for the account basically. So yeah, that's it really. That's all I really want to show you guys. Not much else to report really. Been a well, relatively slow day. Just waiting for hopefully some sort of big recovery in these altcoins, some sort of basically flow out of BTC into these alts. So we'll see when that occurs. But yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I always do your own research, and I'll catch you guys with our Bitcoin price analysis later on this evening.